As you can see, there's multiple styles of 240 volt outlets. In today's video, I'm going to go over several different adapters you may find yourself needing when plugging in your Multimatic 215 or 211. If you're like me and you don't quite have the money for a gas powered generator, you'll find yourself needing to use this power adapter all the time and being creative with adjusting to that. Here's the inside of what the adapter looks like. This is a separate video for that adapter. And even EV chargers, you may find yourself needing an adapter for those. The most common is this 125 volt adapter. So I got two, or actually three adapters. This is the one we're going to use. This one is the 1030 to the L630, then L630 male to the NEMA 650R. But those two I would have to use together. This one skips a step. It goes from the 1030 straight to the 650R, and this is what you absolutely need for the Miller Multimatic 215 and 220. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. Can I tie in to this 220 volt? That was kind of rough. I think I can. Now the adapter plus the heavy duty extension cord gets heavy, so fortunately I was able to rest it on the compressor here, but you may want to brace it so it doesn't drag downward too much.
Okay, let's go.